Hi there, and welcome to Restrict Video Tutorials. Restrict plugin has a neat feature which allows you to place a login form to any of your pages or posts. Along with that, these login forms can be customized to a certain extent. There are two methods of placing a login form to your pages or posts: as a shortcode or as a Gutenberg block. So, depending on whether you're using Gutenberg Editor or Classic Editor, you will be choosing the right method for you. And let's start with using shortcodes and WordPress's Classic Editor. To do this, navigate to Restrict and then select Login Form. Immediately you will notice that there are quite a few options, but let's start from top to the bottom. First of all, you have an option to set the custom labels for each of the elements of the login form. For example, we have username field label, password field label, remember me checkbox label, and login button label. Below that we have redirect URL. You can use this one if you want to redirect the user to the custom URL after they're logged in. However, if you leave it blank, they will be redirected to the same page where you have placed the login form. Next up, we have a set of fields which allows us to define a custom HTML IDs. This is interesting and useful if you want to further customize the login form. And last but not least, right below all of that is the generated shortcode. Remember, any change you make here will be reflected to the shortcode automatically. So, once you're satisfied with your customization here, simply click Copy button here, and the shortcode will be copied to your clipboard. Now, let's try this. And let's create a new page, for example. Let's call it custom login page, and then simply paste the shortcode here. Let's publish this page, and let's see how it looks. We'll open it in a new tab. And as you can see, we have standard WordPress's login form. It's quite easy, right? Now, if you're using a Gutenberg editor instead of WordPress's Classic Editor, you don't need to use any of these options here. Instead, head to the pages and let's create a new page. And when adding a new block, simply start typing login form and you will see that this element will pop up. So simply click this block to edit, and all the options available for this block will be loaded right on the right hand side. These are exactly the same options as offered when creating a login form using a shortcode. So regardless of whether you will be using a shortcode or Gutenberg block to place a login form to your pages or posts, the procedure is equally simple and straightforward. Yet the feature itself is quite effective, as you can now easily allow your visitors to log into your website from any of your pages or posts and even redirect them to the desired URL after they are logged in. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Till the next time, bye bye.